Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And a perennial favorite is punched out spinner backplates. You could ignore the John Shardema from Excel Air's cooling mod right there and fiberglass around it. But on the prop flange right there, on the Tigers especially, two of the bushings barely exceed the depth of the spinner backplate, which means they're hard to put in position. They snap into place. You put the prop on, you don't have everything just right, and you haven't checked it, you tighten it down, you're going to punch a piece out, and that's not going to be a good day. Ask Senator Inhofe. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, stand by for some fun. We'll take a bit closer look at this. Again, just be careful and try not to punch out your backplate. So we would like to ask you, please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So here's what it looks like up close with the punched out spinner backplate on top of the bushing. And as you can see, it doesn't sit very proud of the material, which is why on the Tigers it's kind of difficult. You can replace those bushings, but it's problematic. That's the piece that punches out. And what you don't want it to do is fall in between the other pieces and gives you a false torque. It will vibrate and come loose and cause all sorts of problems. Now, the only reason I'm circling back to mention punching out the Tiger spinner backplates, and there's an example of a lot of oval holes on one, so it's been reused a lot, is the fact that we just had an aircraft come in for manual. The shop last year had noted they had a bad backplate, ordered a new one from Fletcher, installed it incorrectly, and we caught it during the annual and they had to buy another one. So that's our cautionary caution there for you, is that just be careful with them. Probably not an issue if you got a carbon fiber one, because those steel washers are not aluminum and don't punch out the same with the aluminum prop and all. So again, just take the time. People have drilled countersunk holes into the flange. It's not an approved method, but some airplanes have done that so that the spinner backplate is secured to the flange all the time and can't move no matter what's going on. So, ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this useful and informative. Here's what they look like, and we have quite the collection in our hanging on the wall of T6. And as you can see, it just doesn't happen to one guy or just accidentally. It does happen on purpose. So we hope you found it all useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman.